How to remove green screen in CapCut. If any day you would like to remove your green screen in CapCut but do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device, and after that you have to search CapCut out there. After you search CapCut out there, you have to tap on the very CapCut application. After you tap on the very CapCut application, CapCut will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you can just go to the very project that you want and tap on the very project there. After you tap on the very project, you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is you can go to the option of the overlay and tap on overlay. After that, you can go to the option of add the overlay and tap on the very green screen there and go to the option of add. After you go to the option of add, you can see the very green screen like this. Now you have to tap on the very green screen there. After you just tap on the very green screen there, you have to go to the option of remove the very background and then go to the option of the chroma key. After you tap on the very chroma key, you can see the option like this. Now you have to go to the option of the color picker, and after you tap on color picker, you have to tap on the very option like this. For example, this is the color picker which I have picked at the very green screen like this. Now you have to tap on the very intensity and just you have to increase the intensity up to the very 100% is there. After you increase the intensity up to 100% and go to the tick icon out there, your very green screen will be just deleted or will be just setting like this. So this way you can remove your very green screen from your CapCut on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.